Linking your bank account to Walmart can streamline your shopping experience and make transactions easier. Follow these steps to set up the connection. Step 1. Create or log into your Walmart account. Visit the Walmart website or open the Walmart app. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If not, create a new account by providing the required information. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the section labeled Payment Methods or Wallet where you can manage your payment options. Step 3. Add a new bank account. In the Payment Methods section, select the option to add a new bank account. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Step 4. Verify your bank account. After entering your bank information, Walmart may require you to verify the account. This could involve confirming small deposits made by Walmart into your bank account or providing additional identification. Step 5. Save changes. Once your bank account is verified, make sure to save any changes. Your bank account will now be linked to your Walmart account, allowing for easier payments during checkout. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank account to Walmart, making your shopping experience more convenient.